everyone, welcome to my new video. So I'm super excited because Christmas is coming and I wanted to show you a recipe that it's super simple and that you can make with your family and friends while you're celebrating Christmas. So we're going to make an Italian hot chocolate. I remember when I first arrived in North America and I asked for a hot chocolate, I was kind of surprised. And this is because in Italy, hot chocolate is usually much more creamier. And so that's what I was expecting. Of course, they're both delicious, but today I'm gonna show you how to make an Italian hot chocolate. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to prepare a powdered mix that you can also save up in jars and have it ready for whenever you want a hot chocolate. I start by adding some sugar and then with a strainer I sift the cornstarch, or you can use potato starch with unsweetened cocoa powder. You can use a bit less cornstarch if you don't want your hot chocolate to be as creamy as mine. Give it a quick stir and meanwhile heat up some milk of your choice. I used rice milk this time. Once it's hot but not boiling, I scoop up just a bit of the milk and I pour it into the powders to get this sort of thick cream. This step is really important to avoid clumps. Once it's nice and smooth, I throw the creamy mixture into the pot with the remaining amount of milk. Make sure that you're cooking the hot chocolate at a very low heat and that you're constantly stirring well. Otherwise, you risk to burn it and get clumps. And once it starts to boil and it's the consistency that you like, you can turn off the heat and serve it. It's important to consider that the longer you let it cook, the more it will thicken. So adjust the cooking time based on your preference. Since I like it quite thick, I let it boil for a couple of minutes. Also, keep in mind that once the hot chocolate cools down, it will thicken even more. The last final touch is to add in a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor, and if you want, also some cinnamon. Then I serve it and I'm ready to enjoy it. And here is my hot chocolate. Cheers to you. So good. Sorry, I'm worried I have a mustache. I feel like hot chocolate, some people like it creamy, some people like it a little bit more liquidy. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite way of having hot chocolate, and leave a thumbs up if you appreciated this video. Don't forget to subscribe for new weekly videos. Happy holidays, bye!